Welcome to the Java 11 Programming for Beginners module. My name is Boon Hian Tek, and I'll be delivering this module. I'm a Java software developer by trade, and I specialize in enterprise Java development, and I've been enjoying programming Java for 18 years. This course is designed for anyone who wants to pick up Java for the first time as a beginner, or even anyone who wants to pick up programming for the first time and wants to try. A quick overview of Java and why it's such a worthy language to learn. It has been on the TOB index, in fact top of it, for many years, and it's used by millions of developers worldwide on all kinds of devices, from server to handheld and embedded software everywhere. In fact, the very popular Android platform is all on Java. 90% of Fortune 500 companies uses Java for their server backend. And Java has extensive libraries in open source or even closed source. Just about everything under the sun has a Java library available for use. It is also platform independent, and whatever you learn can be transferred to Windows, Mac, Linux, or even the Android platform or IoT devices. Just runs everywhere. And last but not least, it's a programming language that offers the highest pay as a career. So just what will you be learning in this course? Well, you will be picking up Java, the basics of Java, and the rest of the different sections focus on different aspects of Java and programming, but mainly guided with a lot of live examples, a little bit about Java 11, and in section 1, getting up and running with Java 11 Early Access Edition. The examples that we'll be using starts with building a financial calculator to calculate the financial charges from, say, a credit card or a loan. Then we'll build a Slack bot that can help you impress your friends. Following up on that, we'll build a Pig Latin translator. And then the final one will be Personal Finance Analyzer to analyze, let's say, our daily expenses. A little bit more about the target audience. So it's anyone that's at beginner level or entry level. You're willing to get started and no prior programming experience required, as long as you have an interest to explore. Finally, what do you need to succeed in this course? You just need a computer where you can install Java, install IDE, network that allows you to download some stuff from the internet, and last of all, willingness to have fun. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the course. I bet you will enjoy the course and especially Java. See you.